Hey there everyone, welcome back to our driving series. Today we're going to talk about Copley Road and why this road is different than others. Like you can see on the road sign, this one is a one-way road. So, this road is definitely a busy one, and it's important to be aware of the potential hazards that come with it. For example, you might encounter pedestrians who cross the road without paying attention, cars that move off without signaling, or even car users who open the door without checking the mirror. Now let's talk about some of the things you should keep in mind while driving on this busy road. First and foremost, always pay attention to your surroundings. This means keeping an eye out for pedestrians, other vehicles, and any potential hazards. It's also crucial to maintain a safe distance from the car in front of you, especially in heavy traffic. According with the highway code, to turn right on a one-way street, you should position your car into the right-hand lane as early as possible. This allows other drivers to continue on the left. You can see on the road markings that we have two signs of give way, each one for each direction. Also, the two-way traffic crosses one-way road sign is a warning sign that indicates that a one-way road is ending and will meet a two-way road. On this junction, we have a stop sign, and you must stop your vehicle behind the solid white line and make sure the intersection is safely clear of vehicles and pedestrians before continuing past the sign. Thank you for joining us on this driving lesson, and we hope you found it helpful. If you did, please give us a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe for more driving tips and tricks. Until next time, safe driving everyone.